Hi everyone, it's Howard the Gym Man, um, with my new specialization in fitness spaces and now pickleball spaces in the GTA. I'm going to do a video on the difference between pickleball space and, let's say, racket sports space and gym spaces because there's a lot of similarities. So what happened is I've been specializing really in gym spaces only in commercial real estate for quite a while now. I gotta say. Um, And I was starting to see there were conflicts of interest between all the different gym owners. So I essentially became exclusive to one gym chain. But I did want to make a transition to something else where I could use my expertise in gym spaces but not be in conflict. So what was growing was pickleball. So I did try and approach some of the largest pickleball chains, which I would say was met with limited success. But I did get into who I think is a medium-sized chain and will probably grow to be bigger soon. And I've started looking at pickleball spaces like crazy. So, what is the difference between pickleball spaces and gym spaces? Well, first of all, the size they want is about the same, at least for the gyms I deal with. You're looking at around 25,000 and 20,000 square feet. Ceiling height requirements, gyms also prefer high ceilings. The difference is pickleball needs high ceilings. I mean, even more so for padel. Not that I hear much about padel, but padel is it's kind of like pickleball, I guess. It's just a little bit less trendy right now in North America, and it requires higher ceilings. So that's one difference. There's a requirement for high ceilings, generally a minimum of about 16 and a half feet. Then the other change is that pickleball can't have a building where there's too many columns. Once you don't have enough spacing, you can't fit courts adequately in the space. So the column width and the column length is crucial. And then the other difference, which makes pickleball actually easier to fill, is the parking requirement is much, much less. Pickleball might only need 25 parking spots in a non-urban club, whereas for a gym space in a non-urban location, you might need 250 spots. So there's little nuances, but they're still similar spaces, and it's been a really interesting journey with the gym spaces, and now with the pickleball spaces. So if anyone you know, has some off-market commercial stuff, certainly send it to me. I'm happy to send it to my clients, and I'm hopefully going to do more and more commercial real estate videos about fitness spaces and racket sports spaces in the future. Have a great day. If you need to reach me, you can text me 647 892 6636. Thanks.